Okay, so I want you to label the next blank page in your notebook ratios within similar triangles. And we're going to look at a couple different ways to identify and work with more similar figures. But if you didn't get your notebook, you need to do that now and make sure you label that page, please. Okay, so since all rectangles have four 90-degree angles, you can show that rectangles are similar by comparing side lengths. And that's what this is going to show us here. So there's two students, Unique and Curtis, and they each have different methods to show that rectangles are similar. So Unique explains using scale factor, and that's something that we have been working with. So what they say is that the scale factors between corresponding side lengths are equal for similar rectangles. This would work for any shape as well. So for instance, if we were going to go from 2 1/2 to the corresponding side over here, which is 3 3/4, you would have to multiply it by 1 1/2. That's the scale factor. If you look at the other corresponding sides, you also have to multiply by 1 1/2. So the scale factor, which by definition is the number that you multiply all the side lengths by, that one for the scale factor for these two shapes would be 1 1/2. So if I were then to go backwards, instead of multiplying, I would have to divide by that scale factor if I wanted to go backwards.